Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So I don't want to waste your time. Today we'll be talking about understanding the best time to trade gold, the absolute best time to trade gold. And this is the best video you will ever watch about gold and the best time that you should be trading gold. So one thing about gold that I understand is gold is a pair that moves very fast. This pair moves very fast. Because of that, it does not waste your time. Gold doesn't waste anybody's time. So it's not like pairs like Euro USD, USD CHF, even GBP USD. GBP USD moves fast, but not as good. If you are looking for just 20 to 30 pips, 20 to 30 pips on a trade, you can get it on gold in just, let's say, in just 30 minutes. If you are looking for just 20 pips to 30 pips on gold, you can get it in 20 minutes, in 30 minutes. Gold has done that for you and you are done for the day, if that is the kind of trader you want to be. So for a pair like gold that moves really fast, you do not need to be wasting your time jumping on different pairs. So if you are a gold trader and in fact you are watching this video because you want to either learn to trade gold or you are already a gold trader. So straight to the point, the best way or the best time to trade gold is during the US session. See, just take this from me, don't waste your time. This is why I tell people, don't just be a Forex trader who is 100% committed to trading Forex. You need to learn to do other things, learn other businesses, learn other skills, so you can allow gold to be. Don't trade gold during the London session. I'm not saying gold doesn't move in London. It can move during the London, even Asia, gold can just move. But the best time or the best trading session, the best Forex trading session to trade gold is the US session. Take that from me. If you can understand this, you are good to go. Don't waste your time looking at other pairs. Or I don't know of other pairs. I used to trade many pairs, but recently I have just decided to narrow my trading just down to gold and GBP JPY. Now GBP JPY, I just look at GBP JPY for news only. I only trade GBP JPY during the news, when there is a JPY news or there is a pound news, a London news. There's a London news or a Japanese news. That is the only time I come to the chart to trade GBP JPY, only news. But my main trading activity is only gold, and I trade only the US session. So for example, you are looking for 20 to 30 pips, you just go full margin. You are not going to just do 0.01 or one lot or that. You just, if you want to do, if you have like $50 or $100, and you are coming during the New York session, you're only trading once in that day. You are not trading many times in that day. You are trading only once in a day. So you are going to go full margin. You can open as many positions you want to open. You go full margin and make sure you maximize that 20 pip or 30 pip. Depends on your account size. If you're using 100k, you can go 100 lots, 200 lots, depends. Just maximize that section, maximize it. That's what I'm trying to say. The best way to trade gold is to full margin. You go full margin, but make sure you are coming to the chart when it is the time. Okay, so quickly, I don't know, depend on the kind of trader you are, but the best advice I'll give you, if you are trading gold, you don't have to be swinging it. The best way to trade gold is to actually scalp it, scalp and get out. Okay, gold is a very good pair that moves, that respects support and resistance. It will be support and resistance and all the rules that I teach in my mentorship group. So it is very, very nice for you to scalp it. You can swing. I'm not saying swinging is not good. You can actually swing good. Okay, but I don't recommend it. I don't recommend swinging gold. That's a lot of money if you can swing it. But for me, I day trade it. I just scalp it. 20 to 60 pip maximum are the things I look for on gold. But it depends. There are days that can be very, very volatile. Gold can just move 100, 200, 300, 700 pips in a day without pulling back. Yes, and those kind of thing happens during the US session. You can get those kind of moves in the US session. Either there is a news or something to trigger that kind of move. So I would like to tell you, focus on the US session. This is the best time to trade gold. The best time to trade gold. So if you are a scalper, whether you're a scalper, you should still be looking at the higher time frame for the purpose of direction. Okay, so for example, this is the 4 hour. The 4 hour is by far the best time frame to look for market structure. So you are looking at gold right now. What can you see? So I don't want this video to be too long. What can you see? You see the market making highs and lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So if you go down to the lower time frame, you'll see that there are already breaks of structures. Depending on what kind of trader you are. If you're a supply and demand trader, you can see a lot of demand has been taken out. There's a demand here, it has been taken out. There's another demand here which has been taken out. So price is currently in a demand right now. So you see that gold is going to push up, right? Or it is just going to push straight down and take out this demand. Okay, so if we take out this demand, then we are still going to expect some pullback for further drop to the downside. But we go to do this, I doubt, because on the higher time frame, gold is still very bullish. If you look at it on the daily or on the weekly. Okay, gold is pushing up strong. See, gold is still strong. Alright, still pushing up strong. So we are currently at the resistance on the weekly. So we will see the way the week close. The way this week closes is what determines whether gold will still be going bullish or bearish. Okay, so if you look at the last weekly candle, it closed bearish. We are looking at this current one now that is happening. If you close bearish, then we can look to sell to the next weekly support. Okay, next weekly support, which is this place, for it to push back up. Okay, right, so those are things you need to know. What is gold currently doing? Gold is bullish overall. Okay, we are still going back to the heights where this week came from. So this week will be filled. Okay, we are going to fill this week. Alright, this week will be filled. So that's why we say gold is bullish. Okay, so having said that, all you just have to do is stay on the 4 hour. Then from the 4 hour, you move to the 1 hour to keep looking at market structure. So if you look at 1 hour, the market structure is shifted. Alright, so we already have market structure shift. Okay, and this trade, I'm currently on this trade, right? Currently on this particular trade. So I will show you the trade on this screen right now. As you can see, I'm on this trade, right? So that is that. So what do? You are just mapping out 20 pips. Okay, you're only mapping out 20 to 30 pips on gold. So the best way to do it is to just count 8 candles, right? Count 8 candles. Well, go and watch my video on the best trading session. Okay, best trading session. The link is down below. The link is down below the description. So click on it and then watch that video on the best trading session to understand trading session. Then use the knowledge from there and interpret what I'm doing here on gold. So count 8 candles. There are 8 candles. Asia, New York, Asia, London, New York. So there are 8 candles. So count 8 candles and then map out all your zones. Map out all your zones where there is support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. You know, and then just be doing 20 to 60 pips. This is 1 hour and the zones are very big. So if you want to learn how to fine-tune it down to the 5 minutes, I will recommend my mentorship, my one-on-one mentorship, so you can see how the structure is on the lower time frame. So I think that's all. Alright, I think that's all. So please subscribe. If you are getting value from this video, please subscribe, click on the notification bell, like and share, so that this channel can produce more videos. So thank you.